Hello, I'm William Gallagher, and this is 58 Keys, which, as ever, as always, is for writers. Writers like you and me who use and you write on, well, Macs and iPhones and iPads. And you're a writer, so you'll get this. Some editions of 58 Keys are more popular than others. Of course they are, you know how it works. But I think it's fascinating what seems to chime more than other things, because I think I'm wondering really, is it like a little reflection of what we are doing, what we are writing on our Macs and iPhones and iPads? So let me give you a sample. Do subscribe, I should say that please. Subscribe, like or patronize, because we have so much to talk about. But in the meantime, here in dramatic reverse order are the top 5 58 keys of 2025. From August 2025, what's in the iPad bag? Surprised me this one, but I like it. Amazing how that bottle wobbles in the wind. Slightly scary next to all of that hardware. Oh, this is the thing I forgot. I forgot to bring an Apple Watch charger, but that cyan thing on my keyring there, that is actually an Apple Watch battery charger. It's given to me as a present and has proved very useful at times. All right, enough with the lights on the bottle. Next in 4th place was June 2025, and better AirTags than AirTags, or at least cheaper. I get why that was interesting. This costs £35 or $30. This costs £10 or $10 usually. So it's cheaper. Look at the quality of information you get here. In 3rd place, this is from March 2025, and it's using iPhone as a desk or bedside clock. But it is definitely going to be one of 3 things. A single clock, a photo with a clock in the corner, or a split thing with a clock on one side and something like the date or maybe the weather on the other. One small update. I need to tell you that since I did that, well, it's all continued working. It's all very nice, but randomly the phone changes. It changes clock faces, or it switches to showing me photos, widgets sometimes. Do not know why. Whereas I do know that the second most popular 58 keys of 2025 was from July, and it was about the Apple Pencil. Specifically, because we're writers, it was called No Drawing, Just Writing with the Apple Pencil. This is a nod to my handwriting. So, I can't draw. Okay, I truly cannot handwrite either. You're going to see that in a second. Please pity me. Why in the world would I buy an Apple Pencil? I swear to you though, actually, my handwriting has got fractionally better since July, though, yeah, don't test me on it. And now, the number 1 most popular 58 keys of 2025 is from February, and it's hidden features in Pages for iPad. This is an iPad, and isn't it amazing that a piece of glass is all we need to actually write anything? And actually, isn't it more amazing that Pages, Apple's, I think, rather underrated word processor, is right here on the iPad? And it's not like there's some sort of cut down light version, no compromise thing. There's no putting up with limitations because it's on an iPad. The version of Pages on here is the same as the one on the Mac, except bits of it that I think you routinely need when you're writing certain types of documents, they're a bit hidden. Here are some key examples, the ones I think, as a writer, are the most immediately useful when you found them. I do really like Pages, actually, both on the iPad and the Mac, but it's a quirky little bugger, really, because there's quite a lot to dislike as well. And more than the likes and the dislikes, it really does hide a huge amount of features. I mean, so many that doubtlessly we're going to be coming back to Pages again on 58 keys. And I'll link them all together so you can get everything. Not sure when it will happen, but it's coming. But in the meantime, thank you very much for watching this, and especially actually if you've been watching throughout 2025. Let's talk again, okay, throughout 2026 and beyond. Why not? And beyond. But now, that's it for this edition of 58 Keys. Thank you very much for watching, but take care of yourself, okay? It's important. New year, need to look after yourself. Write more as well, and I'll see you soon.